Starting around 18 November 2023, Ethereum for the most part is exchanging at $1,941.85 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. ETH really has a sort of all-out market cap of $233,512,505,515, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,088,927,052 in a kind of huge manner. This really makes Ethereum, ETH, truly positioning at 2 in the digital currency market in a sort of significant manner. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum by and large be worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Is Ethereum an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ETH cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking high, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking? These explicitly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ETH cost by and large is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $2,198.34, the normal essentially least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $2,117.03, or so they sort of thought. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at an especially greatest value level of $2,280.66 in a quite large manner. Ethereum, ETH, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Ethereum sort of is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $2,134.31, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $2,195.29 and at least $1,951.37 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Ethereum cost especially is gauged to in every way that really matters, arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of $2,117.03, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ETH cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $2,280.66, with the truly normal expected cost around $2,198.34, which truly is very critical. Ethereum essentially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 1.31% in its ongoing worth, or so they explicitly thought. On the off chance that we for the most part look at the essentially current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap especially is likewise down in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum fundamentally is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, showing how Ethereum, ETH, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is truly anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a truly normal cost of $2,134.31, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $2,195.29 and a really least of $1,951.37 in a quite enormous manner. The ETH generally is down to nearly 5.79% in the very most recent 7 days, so will ETH cost in every practical sense outperform its untouched high, which explicitly is very huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for especially past in every practical sense, hardly any days. The coin could essentially have serious areas of strength for genuinely, however, we don't fundamentally imagine that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment. So ETH explicitly has a sort of all-out market cap of $233,512,505,515, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,088,927,052, or so they especially thought. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and extremely beyond 30 days cost history, it essentially is seen that Ethereum truly has expanded 2.750% in its worth, which certainly is genuinely huge. The truly normal in every practical sense, least cost for the month truly is $1,843.68, while truly most extreme essentially normal cost fundamentally was $1,888.45 in an especially significant manner. This suggests that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for in every practical sense, long haul, which certainly shows that will ETH cost by and large outperform its record-breaking high, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change truly is around 19.33%, and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from an especially least sort of typical cost of $1,539.51 to especially most extreme fundamentally normal cost of $1,647.19 in the essentially beyond 90 days in a very significant manner. In sort of most recent 4 months Ethereum all things considered has shown a developing pattern, which really is very huge. Hence, we really imagine that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, exhibiting how this for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, by and large positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in a for the most part enormous manner. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum truly is expanded from 4 months, truly further appearance how besides ETH can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $2,280.66 in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, extremely further appearance how the ETH basically is down to nearly 5.79% in the very most recent 7 days, so will ETH cost generally outperform its untouched essentially high incredibly. The coin especially is up by 32.02% with the really greatest extremely normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $1,207.02 and the kind of least beautiful normal cost of especially was around $1,191.63 in lovely beyond 4 months, which sort of shows that sort of is Ethereum a by and large wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will really be Ethereum sort of worth in 2023, which all things considered, is very huge. The ETH cost fundamentally is estimated to arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $2,280.66, with certainly least cost of $2,117.03 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how hence, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period. Showing how this sort of makes Ethereum, ETH, truly positioning at 2 in the digital money market in a quite large manner. Does Ethereum sort of have a future in an especially large manner? As far as value, Ethereum in every way that really matters has an exceptional by and large potential to arrive at new levels, or so they generally thought. It really is estimate that ETH will increment in esteem, or so they generally thought. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Ethereum can explicitly stir things up around town greatest cost of $69,779.66 till 2030 in a quite huge manner. Is Ethereum worth purchasing in 2023, which